how to send a video from gallery as a snap on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I will be showing you how you can send a video from your camera roll from your gallery as a snap on Snapchat. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up your Snapchat and this is where you will get. Now you will have to click on your memories right here where you have all of your snaps. So once you get right here, you can see at the top it says snaps and then it says camera roll, stories, and my stories right here, my eyes. So here you have to actually switch to the camera roll option. Once you switch to camera roll, it opens up your gallery for you, your simple gallery. And from here, you can select any photo or a video to send as a snap. So I'm going to select this video right here, which is a short video. And you can see it's added as a video here, and now I can edit it out in Snapchat. Let's add maybe a sticker or something. This, we can edit the snap as we like. We can add a filter, we can add text like this. And now we can click on send to and send this video as a snap on Snapchat. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.